Trade it hot, trade it smart. Forex game, play it hard.
Hello traders, today I'm going to do trade recaps of the pairs I posted about earlier in the public group, as well as the pairs I analyzed weekly with my students through our Zoom sessions. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to join the family. Let's start with the pairs I analyzed with my students during our weekly analysis session on May 11th. The pairs we analyzed were AUDUSD, USDCHF, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and NZDUSD. I provided guidance that these pairs would have significant movements this week. Now, let's go through each pair and see what happened. Pair number 1, GBPUSD. On May 11, 2024, I analyzed GBPUSD, as you can see in the group chat where I shared my thoughts. I mentioned that we expected GBPUSD to continue its upward trend, with the first take-profit zone being at this level. Now, let's look at the current chart and see if the price did what we anticipated. Yes, wow! The price did exactly what we expected. I even managed to take 2 trades, both of which are in profit. Why did I expect the price to go up? There are several reasons, but I'll mention just a few. Firstly, the price hadn't completed level 3 yet, so we expected it to continue rising to complete these levels. Secondly, there was a price imbalance at the top, so we expected the price to rise quickly to fill this price imbalance. Also, if you remember, I shared about this pair in the public group before, on April 21st. We'll discuss that further ahead. That's it for GBPUSD. Let's move on to the next pair. Pair number 2 is NZDUSD. As you can see on this chart, in the weekly analysis dated April 28, 2024, I predicted this pair to drop and then rise, which is exactly what it did. As you can see in this group's analysis shared on April 28, 2024, after that, we met again in the recent weekly analysis on May 11, 2024, where I conducted its analysis, and as you can see on the chart, the price moved as we expected. Thank you very much. Pair number 3 is EURUSD. As you can see here on the chart, I shared its analysis on May 11, 2026. As shown here in the group, I expected it to rise due to the liquidity and the open imbalance above. Yes, what I mentioned in the meeting is exactly what has happened. This is even better. Another pair is USDCHF. In the analysis I shared, I showed that it would drop, and indeed it dropped to this point before starting to rise again. Next week, we will analyze it further and I will share it in my groups. The remaining pair is AUDUSD. As you can see here in the picture, the before chart looked like this and the after chart looks like this. Remember, we started trading this pair from this point, and up to now, it has moved the pips in the direction we expected. Thank you very much. These were the analyses for this week's Zoom meeting held on the 11th. These are the pairs I shared in the public groups. On April 24th, I shared USDCHF. As you can see here, up to now, this pair has moved exactly as we indicated on the chart. The second pair is GBPUSD. I shared this on April 21st, 2024, in the public group, and up to now, it has moved a significant number of pips. I believe traders have learned something. In Forex, the first thing is to have knowledge. If you are careless in learning, you might think it is very difficult, but if you put in the effort, you will definitely succeed. Thank you very much, and we will meet in the next video.